One last question to you is we know that the role of dietitian is extremely important. But in the ICU setup, how do you think dietitians play a role in the medical nutrition and in their therapies?
100%, it has to be the clinical dietitian only who can take the call. Doctor can advise the fluid. We have to go through the basically we need to do the screening and assessment. That is our first thing which we do in all ICU setups and the patient who is landing up in ICU. So we need to screen the patient, we need to assess the patient, then only we can start thinking about the type of nutrition in the management of that particular patient. So the fluid part and when to start, these all can our doctor can say. So we as clinical dietitians, it's our responsibility, is our prerogative. We can decide on the product, what is to be given to the patient and how it can be given to the patient. So in my belief, in my practice, it has to be a dietitian's initiative for a better outcome of the patient, because in almost all of us are working in corporate hospitals, so where average length of stay matters. Specifically, a person does cannot be kept in ICU for a longer period. So patient has to be fed in such a way so that his or her ICU stay goes down and patient can be shifted to ward or HTU, or patient can be sent back home well.
Yes, Ipshita. In fact, what you said is absolutely correct and true.